Alright, let's be honest. It's easy to invest when you have millions of dollars to work with. But what if you only have, say, $100? Can you still invest and build wealth? The answer is yes. And this is important, how you invest at the beginning will look different. Keep this in mind, okay? You're not the first person to start with close to nothing. In fact, I was once at a point in my life where I didn't even have $100 to spare. And even if I did, I wouldn't have known where to begin investing it. Sound familiar? Well, today, I'm here to help. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear blueprint to grow your money and build lasting wealth starting with just $100. Got it? Let's dive in. Oh, and quick heads up, there's a hidden Easter egg somewhere in this video. If you find it and comment below, I'll permanently pin your comment. So, keep your eyes peeled. Now, let's start. If I only had $100 to invest, the first thing I'd invest in is a book. But not just any book. I'd buy Rich Dad, Poor Dad. This book transformed the way I think about money, investing, and building wealth. And here's why it's so powerful. Wealth isn't just about numbers. It's about mindset. Could I recommend a dense textbook like Security Analysis? Sure. But let's be real, that's not going to help you right now. Most of what's in those books is available online anyway. What you need first is a mindset shift, and Rich Dad, Poor Dad will give you just that. Bonus? You can grab a pre-owned copy for about $5 on eBay, or a new one for $7 on Amazon. Let's save a couple of bucks and go for the pre-owned option. That leaves us with $95. Next step, open a Roth IRA. This will cost you $0. If you're unfamiliar, a Roth IRA is a retirement account that lets your investments grow tax-free. That's right, tax-free. It's the ultimate wealth-building tool. Whether you choose Fidelity, Vanguard, or a robo-advisor like Wealthfront, opening a Roth IRA is a no-brainer. And guess what? You still have $95 left. Now it's time to start investing. Take $50 and put it into a low-cost broad market ETF, like the Vanguard Total Stock Market ETF VTI. Why VTI? Because it gives you exposure to the entire USA stock market, including companies like Apple, Amazon, Tesla, and thousands more. No need to spend hours researching individual stocks. You're investing in all of them at once. But wait, you might be thinking, VT, I cost nearly $200. How can I buy it with just $50? Great question. The answer? Fractional shares. Most brokers let you buy a fraction of a share, so you can invest as little as $1. So now, with $50 invested, we've got $45 left. Here's where it gets exciting. Take $35 and use it to either learn a new skill or start a business. Now, I know what you're thinking. How can I start a business with $35? Trust me, you can. For example, you could start a YouTube channel with just your phone. Invest that $35 in a simple lighting kit from Amazon to improve video quality. Or use Skillshare to learn skills like graphic design, coding, or photography. Many of these skills can lead to side hustles or even full-time income streams. Remember, every big business starts small. Now we're down to $10. Here's what you do with it. Open a high-yield savings account for your emergency fund. Go to Google, search best high-yield savings accounts, and pick one with the highest interest rate. Deposit that $10. Is $10 enough for an emergency fund? Of course not. But opening the account gets you started, and starting eliminates excuses. Here's the bottom line. This $100 isn't going to make you a millionaire overnight, but it's about creating habits. When you invest $50, you realize it's not as scary as it seemed. Next month, you might invest $100, then $200. And before you know it, you're on track to retire a millionaire. And let's not forget, starting a business or learning a skill could earn you millions over your lifetime. I started my web development business with just $15. That investment got me my first few clients, and I scaled from there. Similarly, my first YouTube channel started with a $14 backdrop from Amazon. It wasn't fancy, but it got me started. That channel eventually led to this one. Every big success starts with a small, imperfect step. Whether it's investing $50 into the stock market, spending $35 to learn a new skill, or putting $10 in an emergency fund, you're planting seeds. Seeds that grow into wealth, confidence, and freedom. So, how do you invest with just $100? You invest in experiences, the experience of opening a Roth IRA and buying your first ETF, the experience of starting a business or learning a skill, the experience of setting up an emergency fund, and, of course, the experience of shifting your mindset with a life-changing book. Because here's the thing, if you can't invest and manage 100, how will you handle $1 million? Just a thought. Now, if you don't even have $100 to start, don't worry. I've got you covered. Check out this video right here, where I show you how to build wealth, starting with $0. Thanks for watching, you're amazing, and I'll see you soon. Take care.